Okay, this is wild. Google just dropped a free AI tool that designs full apps from a single sentence. No subscription, no card, no design experience. You type, it builds. And honestly, I did not see this coming from Google Labs. It is called Stitch. Lives on one URL inside Google Labs. Drop a sentence into the prompt box, pick app or web, and Gemini 3 spits out a full editable interface. Buttons, screens, layout, all of it. And here is the part that gets me, you can export the whole thing to Figma, or copy the HTML code straight from the panel. So a prompt becomes either a designer's file or a developer's starting point. Same generation. It started life as Galileo AI, which Google quietly bought last year. Then they rebuilt it on Gemini and put it behind their own beta gate. Reads less like a prototype and more like a real product. Now, the price, there is not one. Stitch is free while it sits inside Google Labs beta. You get 350 standard generations a month on the Flash model, plus 50 experimental generations on the bigger Pro model. For context, a single Figma seat runs about $15 a month. That is roughly 1,250 rupees just to access the canvas. Stitch hands you the canvas, the AI, and the export for free. 5 starter templates ship in the gallery. SaaS dashboard, health app, entertainment app, fashion app, utility app. Pick one, and the whole flow loads up. Multi-screen, navigation, all of it. Then you edit. Move blocks, change colors, swap copy, drop in screenshots. The newer build adds voice prompts and a 5-screen canvas, so you can stitch out an entire user journey instead of one screen at a time. Fast enough that you can iterate while you are still on a call. Want to see what this actually looks like in practice? Type, design a mobile app for tracking my reading habits. Hit generate. 20 seconds later, you have a home screen, a book detail page, a stats page, and a settings page, all linked together. Tap the canvas, swap books read for pages read, and the typography stays consistent across every screen. Drop an image of a real book cover into the prompt, and the app updates with that art style baked in. It is honestly closer to whiteboarding than designing. The model is making the boring scaffolding choices for you so you can focus on the actual idea. 3 places this actually pays off. 1. Freelancers pitching to clients. You spend 20 minutes drafting 3 UI variants instead of 2 days in Figma. 2. Students applying for product roles. Sketch a screen during the interview, on the call, while the manager is still talking. 3. Devs without a designer. You skip the back and forth, get a clean HTML scaffold, then style it in your own stack. That last one is the quiet superpower. Most side projects die at the design step. This kills the design step. Okay, the honest catch. It is still beta, so the monthly cap can bite if you iterate hard. Export gives you static HTML, not React or Vue, so you will be porting it. And the designs lean a little Google-flavored. Clean for apps, less great for moody portfolio work. But for the price of free, hard to complain. Try it once, today, before they figure out what to charge. Stay ahead of AI, one tool at a time. Like, subscribe, and tell us which AI tool are you actually using.